Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. Presenting my next vlog on Sunrise Guest House in Sanapur village of Koppal district in Karnataka state. Sanapur village is a famous offbeat location near Hampi and many foreign travelers prefer to stay here and travel to Hampi to experience the architectural wonders there. Sanapur village is around 26 kilometers away from Hampi by road, but one can take a ferry and cross the Tungabhadra river and reach Hampi in 10 minutes from Sanapur side to Hampi. Sunrise Guest House and Restaurant in Sanapur is a charming accommodation and offers a rustic village setting and is nestled in between lush green rice fields. The entire guest house itself is built under beautiful mango trees and gives us a feeling of staying in open nature without any hustle and bustle of the city life. There are two kinds of accommodation options that are available in this guest house. The first one is the double room occupancy and the second one is tented accommodation. The facilities inside these rooms are basic ones and let us experience the rustic lifestyle of the village in the lap of the nature. The beds are comfortable and a fan is provided inside each of these rooms. Each room is designed to provide a relaxing environment equipped with essential amenities to ensure a pleasant stay. Guests can enjoy the scenic views from the sit-out area in front of their rooms, immersing themselves in the beauty of the surrounding landscape. The entire accommodation is surrounded with mango trees and cozy hammocks are available under them to relax in the lap of the nature and just experience the sound of the mother nature. There is ample parking space right in front of the guest house for both two-wheelers and four-wheelers. The check-in time at Sunrise Guest House is 10 am and the check-out time is 9:30 am. This guest house offers a peaceful atmosphere, making it an ideal retreat for travelers seeking tranquility. The on-site restaurant at Sunrise Guest House serves a diverse menu offering a range of cuisines to satisfy various palates. From local to international delicacies, the culinary experience here is enhanced by use of fresh and locally sourced ingredients. Dining here allows guests to release their meals while enjoying the breathtaking views of the greenery and the scenic beauty around. The location of this guest house is ideal for trekking, hiking, and sightseeing, with several attractions in close proximity, including the historical sites of Hampi. This guest house is committed to providing excellent hospitality with friendly staff ready to assist guests with all their needs. Whether it's arranging transportation, providing local insights, or helping with the tour bookings, the team at Sunrise Guest House ensures a memorable experience for each of their guests. This is the room where I stayed in Sunrise Guest House. Guests here can spend their days lounging by the waterfalls, enjoying the nature walks, or simply soaking in the tranquil ambience around. Sunrise Guest House in Sanapur is a delightful destination for travelers seeking comfort, adventure, and a connection with nature. With its beautiful location, comfortable accommodations, and excellent dining options, it promises a memorable stay for anyone visiting the Hampi region. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel, click the like button and add in your valuable comments, and stay tuned to my channel as many more amazing videos are coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.